Alright, just a quick video here. So I watched this one I picked up yesterday. This is a General Signals electronic bell I found along the ATM yesterday. It was just sitting on the ground after it had been replaced. And I would do a video of it operating, but unfortunately the bell does not work, which is why it was replaced. And I would try to fix it, but as you can see there, the screw got stripped out when I tried to remove it. One of them had already started stripping out because you can see how rusted these are. So I guess this guy's just not really any way to open this up to see what's wrong with him unless I want to try drilling out the screws. My dad, I'd be able to repair it anyways. But I believe it's a General Signals Type 1. As you can see, this is definitely an older one, not only because of the aging on it, but the rust stains left by the screws in the top. I'll say later General Signals electronic bells had the screws on in a different spot so you wouldn't have to worry about water getting into the bell like this. But yeah, I believe this is a Type 1 because the signals appear to be installed around the turn of the century by CSX, so that's a good sign right there that this is most likely a Type 1 even though it doesn't work. And if I had some way of getting the cap off, I could try looking at the bell, the inside of the bell, see what's wrong with it. But other than that, really nothing too much to show you here. I mean, you just got the speaker up in there, which, yeah, you can see it right down in there. And you also see that's starting to come out a bit. But yeah, this is a General Signals electronic bell I picked up just yesterday. Over and out.